Hello everyone and welcome back to MK Tech. Thank you for watching my channel. By the way, if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing for awesome content. In today's vlog, we will continue to work on the E30 project, but before we get into the project and the project details of today's vlog, we will open some packages that I have received for this car. So let's dig into the packages and see what parts we received. Wow, finally. Check this out. Packaged really nicely. Let's go ahead and remove both of them. What do you guys think this is? Any guesses? Any guesses? Check it out. Wow. Things look amazing. These are little smileys that I wanted. These are the headlights that I actually was dreaming to have and always wanted them. So very excited. Look at this. Come with the brackets, everything. Excellent shape. Everything seems to be good. Let's go ahead and open one more. Wow, check it out. Wow, these are Bosch smileys. Look at that. Beautiful. Excellent shape. Let's turn it around. Look at this. For installation, all we gotta do really is solder in the wires, which we're not gonna worry about right now. But however, I do wanna try them out. So everything seems to be good. Nothing's broken. So when you adjust them, super cool. Super cool. Look at that. Wow. What do you guys think about these headlights? Are they awesome or what?
Wow.
Bro, what do you think? Legit?
Legit.
Yeah?
Wow. Nice.
This is the smileys, Bosch. You like, huh?
Yes.
Good choice?
Yep.
That's what I was thinking. I was thinking you'd like them. Boom. Check this out. Okay, let's cut this whole box. Check this out. Yes, it is the rear bumper. Original rear bumper. With the bumper brackets. These are the absorbing shocks, I think. Absorb shocks is what you call them. Which I needed anyway right here. So the guy was kind to sell me the whole assembly. Also you have brackets on the side. So wow, this looks so far so good. Looks very nice. Has the trims also right here. Very cool. I have to buy them separately. Just hope they remove nicely before when we take them to the paint shop. I gotta remove them. Hopefully they don't break off or anything. But look at this. Isn't this awesome? Genuine OEM 325i bumper. Keep in mind, guys, as I mentioned before, this E30, it was a 325e. So the bumpers were chrome, and I'm not a big fan of the chrome ones. So I decided to convert it over to the i325i look, or the IS. So I definitely like that bumper configuration a lot better than the chrome ones. I just think it looks better. So that's why I decided to go this route. Comes with these bumper brackets, which I'm not sure exactly where they go yet, but we'll figure that out. These look like they just slide on right in here. So let's try this bumper on, see what it's gonna look like. Let's do it. Okay, here it is. And I don't like it. You know why I don't like it? Because there has to be a rear valance, hopefully I pronounced it right, rear valance, like the one in front, like this, I have to get the same thing for the rear because there's no way this is gonna work. I had somebody told me that just put it on without the valance, it should be fine. There's no way it's gonna be fine. Look at this. So that means that now I gotta find the rear valance for this car. It's gonna be cool though. I mean, I like that this bumper looks so much better, but this gap here, everything here, everything's off. So that's a no-go. That's one of the things that I wanted to confirm and make sure that I was, you know, before I take it to the paint shop, I need to get a rear valance to paint that too. So I wanted to make sure that the bumper would work without it, and it's not gonna work. So false information. Definitely needs the rear valance to get this bumper to work. Excellent. Well, that's confirmed. As for today's vlog, what I was gonna do, or what we need to do next is, let's go over here. Okay guys, you see how I completely removed the door panel from this door? We're gonna go ahead and remove all the rest of the panels. We're gonna remove this panel, that one right there, and the front one. Okay, let's see how this is gonna be removed. I don't remember how I did the first one. A lot of the stuff popped out. I think there's a bolt where this screws on, which is right here, 1 and 2. So there are definitely 2 Phillips screws right here. They have to be removed. Let's go ahead and remove them real quick. By the way guys, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, make sure to click on that big fat subscribe button below the video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. They are pretty long, that's for sure. Okay, now this one came out. Something's still holding this right here. I wonder what it is. Don't forget to bag everything. We're gonna do exactly the same thing as we did in previous videos. We're gonna put our bags, we're gonna put all our components into our bags, our parts. Okay, so let's see how this comes out. Boom. Just clips off very easily. See, this is the clips that comes off. So it goes right into these little clips right here. This right here should be able to just unscrew, and boom, this comes off. I'm gonna probably put that one back on. Now let's see. Okay, this comes out like that, and this pops out. Oh, that was simple. Check it out. And for some reason, the rear seat power seat switch, the rear power switch was not hooked up, but it's in excellent shape, and the handle doesn't come out because it's screwed right here. So we wouldn't have to really, you know, take this thing off. We're just gonna leave it on like this. This thing's in excellent shape, so let's put this into a shelf, which is gonna be right here. Oh no, these are headlight shelf. Let's go a little higher. Let's put this right here. So now I won't have to worry about that getting ripped. These panels, they're excellent shape, so I'm just gonna keep them in house. Let's go to the next side, and let's repeat everything we did on this side to the other side. Okay, here we go. This panel is removed. This panel is removed. And this panel removed. Fairly easy job. It was fairly quick. So a lot quicker than I expected. Okay, so what I've decided to do is I'm gonna continue this vlog into tomorrow, removing the seats and the carpet. I think it's sufficient for today, you know, with the delivery that came in and the parts, components. So let's go ahead and end this vlog here. Once again, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe for more content. Make sure to give me that big fat thumbs up, and leave a comment below if you have any questions of any of the components that I have already taken apart or that I'm in the process doing. And also, if you have advice for me, please advise. I'm more than happy to take your advice. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.